Plastic is everywhere. Plastic has saturated our environment, it has invaded the animals we eat, and has found its way into our bodies. As urban African dwellers, we are exposed to health and environmental hazards due to our poor waste management practices, and millions of animals are killed by plastics, increasing the number of endangered species. The United Nations estimates that about 300 million tons of plastic waste is produced globally each year. 9% of this is recycled, 12% is burnt into ashes, while the remaining 79% accumulates in landfills, dump sites, and our natural environment. Of the total waste generated in Nigeria, 7.8% are plastics, and only 20 to 30% of this are recycled or upcycled due to our poor sorting habit. So what happens to the rest? I know it's overwhelming, but there is a solution. Recyfrica is a micro and social rewards platform that creates an awesome experience for you to help curb the growing waste menace across urban African cities. We connect you with the closest plastic collection points to enable recycling companies get sufficient materials to scale up operations, and you get rewarded for being part of the community. We plan to eliminate 50,000 tons of plastic waste from the environment across major African cities over the next 10 years. Join our community of changemakers now. Let's win back Africa, one city at a time.